Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A daycare cleaning company will charge anywhere from $400 to $1,000 per month for the average size facility, depending on how many playrooms or classrooms you have, their size and condition, and the frequency of cleaning. Hourly rates average around $40 to $60 per hour, per cleaner.
Take our lead.
What can be accomplished in 2 hours? Vacuuming the entire house. Cleaning the bathrooms, including toilets. Cleaning the kitchen, including quickly mopping the floor. A few assorted small tasks like wiping surfaces down.
Take our lead.
Here's a cleaning services price list. The average cost of hire a cleaning service is $90 to $150 and the average national hourly rate is $25 to $90 per cleaner. A single-family home should cost $120 to $150 to clean, according to Home Advisor.
Make your mark, take our lead.
$250. How much should I charge for cleaning per square foot? Typically, you can charge customers about $90 to clean a house that's less than 1,000 square feet and $250 for a house that's 3,000 square feet or more, according to Home Advisor. Residential cleaning is usually charged by the hour.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.